Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and we are at the Amtrak station. This is, well, it's the Albany station, Rensselaer Station, and we're walking towards the Rensselaer maintenance yard. Let me turn this around here. Sorry, but that's the station there. The rail station. We've seen this before, and a lot of warnings here about private property, as you can imagine. But we do see some old cars here, old Pullman cars, and we shall see how much trouble I get into as I walk through here. Now, I've just got the camera. I don't have any sort of baggage or anything like that, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be trying to write anything. That right there is called the Hickory Creek. Quite the car. And the maintenance is down that way. As I say, we'll see what we can find here. Let me put this up over the top so you can get an idea of what we're looking at here. So far, so good. As we walk down this way. So far, no one's giving me no never mind. Lots of warnings. It's amazing that people write these. And I'll be honest with you, I like watching yard buzzards and some of those. I find it very interesting. It's the maintenance yard over here. Not quite sure what they're going to do here. Lots of warnings. You can see some people sitting there. Fence open. Not going to do anything like that. This is the Rensselaer Maintenance Facility. You can see it coming up here. Amtrak. You can see the major lines going out over that way. They're not going to let me walk onto the property. I'm pretty sure of that. But they'll probably let me get up here pretty close. Gravel on those cars over there. That's probably I don't know if he's the bull. But I don't look like as I say, it doesn't look like I'm going to be jumping on any trains or anything. So they see my camera out, they probably assume I'm a rail fan, which I am in many respects. All visitors must log in at the main office. Rensselaer Maintenance Facility. Well, that's Albany over there. Corning Tower. Delaware and Hudson. Now it's part of the SUNY system, I think, the whole rail station there. probably this gate is going to be as close as I'm going to be able to get. Across the way there's an old sign, Burns Pharmacy. That is Broadway over there, I believe. And this is probably as close as I'm going to get. Once I get up to the gate. So this is the maintenance facility in Rensselaer for Amtrak. And well, the violators will be prosecuted for emergencies or suspicious activity. Call the Amtrak police. There we go. The maintenance facility. I'm not sure what they're doing, but I'm not walking any farther in. Switching and things of that nature. Well, I am going to pick up back on the other side of that bridge there and see what we can see over there. Well, I'm back up by the bridge and I was just stopped by, I don't know if he would have been a bull. He was someone who was working here and wanted to know what I was doing. And told him I was taking pictures. So he let me go. Let me turn this around here, stay up by the bridge. And there is a train here. I don't know when it's leaving. But it is about that time for some trains to come in, that sort of thing. Well, here he comes back. Well, he's staying on the other side. At least he's not going to bother me. But this gentleman right here stopped and wanted to know what I was doing. And he's driving around. He told me as long as I didn't go through the gates, I was okay. And that was private property, and I was okay with that. We're coming up to the station here. Would freak right out if I walked through that gate. And I'm not going to do that, of course, but he wanted to know what I was doing. And nothing. There's a passenger train right here. I don't know what that's all about. It kind of looks like there's one coming in. It's that time of the day, there should be one coming in. I'm not sure. There's one at the platform. Yes, sir. It does look like he's going to be coming in. Okay. The one there is going to be going to New York. And the one coming in will probably be coming for, I don't know if it'll be going to Montreal or if it'll be going across like Syracuse, Rochester, Buffalo, that way. I'm not sure. Should be pulling right up through in here. I know as soon as I shut off the camera, it'll pop in. Oops. Yeah, here it's coming. I would think the engine will stop somewhere in here. There it is. Us pick back up a little bit. Well, we're picking back up at the station here, and this is the car that just came in, the train that just came in. And we're going to try to walk across here. There we go. But we were just over there on the other side of that bridge. That's where I was walking. The maintenance facility is way down there. 701 is the one that just came in. And as I say, there's the station there. Disconnecting that engine. Interesting. Huh. As I say, way down there is the maintenance yard where we were before. There's those coal cars we were talking about. So I'm not sure why they have decoupled this engine. Very interesting. Well, they must be the other engine that we saw down there that is warming up. Must be the one they're going to replace this with. Yeah. Bit of maintenance going on. Albany skyline. Well, we've gotten to see some interesting things here today. So with that, I think I am gonna call it a day here. We got to see the maintenance shops, and well, as much as we could see. And I hope you found this a little bit of interest, and please subscribe, ring the bell, tell others. And I hope you're enjoying these videos. So with that, have a nice day.